The Organ on Chip Center Twente has three main goals or activities. So on one hand, we are organizing our research group internally, because we have many research groups that are focused on organs on chips. We are also facilitating and promoting collaborations with companies and researchers outside of the University of Twente. And we do this mainly because we really want organs on chips not to be something only an academic endeavor, but really be applied in the industry. And then I think the third part is that we are aiming to become part of the Dutch organ on chip infrastructure.
With the center, we want to bring the new technologies that we have been developing closer to patients. We want to make this organ on chip approach more reachable for developing more effective drug treatments.
Current models fail typically because they just don't recapitulate the human physiology correctly. So for example, we have animal models. Their biology is so fundamentally different that diseases interact differently with the biology of the animal compared to a human. On the other hand, we also have in vitro models, which are basically simple cell models in 2D that are available for high throughput screening of different drugs and compounds. But those models are often not complex enough to be really mimicking the human physiology in a way that is useful for testing therapies or drugs.
Therefore, we make chips, microenvironments tailor-made for specific organs such as blood vessels, to accommodate the cells as if they were in their native environment.
I think indeed, if we think about organ-on-chip technology, the biggest promise that we have for this technology is that we can capture essential aspects of a particular patient, and that means that we can optimize treatments to benefit their health specifically. And that means personalized treatments, and that means that a lot of people don't need to take the treatments that don't work for them anymore. So we can actually give people treatments that work for them. And I think this is the key advantage that this organ-on-chip technology will offer in the coming years.
What we want to do at the center is bring the expertise of all the researchers involved in the development of organs on chips and expand this expertise not only at the national level but also at the European level and worldwide.
I hope that the Organ-on-Chip Center Twente will make the University of Twente the place to be worldwide for people that are interested in organs on chips in their development, so the underlying technology, but also in their application in, for example, pharmaceutical industry and in clinical settings. And I think we are uniquely equipped here in Twente to bring these people all together. And this is what we want to achieve by setting up this center.